As of December 1st, 2022, a new law is coming into effect in Ireland, which makes provision for how tips, gratuities, and service charges are to be shared between employees. The law requires that employers must give a statement to employees showing how the tips have been distributed within 10 days of distribution. The new law distinguishes between a mandatory charge imposed by the service provider, such as a product or service, and a voluntary payment given by the customer, such as a tip or a gratuity. The effect of this provision is that service charges can only be added to a bill if the money goes to the employees, and electronic tips must be distributed in a transparent and fair way. Forest makes it easy for you to keep track of any tips for reporting purposes if needed. In this quick tutorial, we will look at how to add tips when checking out a client, and how to generate a report to see a list of all tips received within a certain date range. When processing a sale on the purchase screen, choose the tip payment type to add a tip to the sale. Use the drop-down box to choose whether it will be a tip amount or a tip percentage. A percentage tip will add a percentage tip based on the total bill amount. Enter the amount or percentage and click OK. Choose the payment type that the client will be paying by. This will then add the tip to the total amount of the sale. You can generate a report to see a list of all tips received within a certain date range. This report can be found under Manager, Reports, Additional Reports, Staff. When generating the report, specify your from and to dates and enter a staff member's name in the staff field if you wish to view a particular staff member's tips. Otherwise, leave the staff field blank to view all staff members. Click Generate Now to generate your report. The report will list all staff tip totals in the grey area at the top, along with the total of all tips added together. You will then see an individual breakdown of tips received per each staff member, listed by date and client name. Tips also appear on your financial totals and cash up end of day reports. You will find your financial totals report in the Finance dashboard under Manager Reports, under the Payment Types header. The figure appears as a negative number as this is not revenue for the business. In your end of day cash up report, staff tips are clearly displayed underneath your services and sales.